Just I will try to differentiate with this technology, which is Power BI, with another technology. See, I'm not showing the finger on a technology. Just I'm differentiating that how the features are available in the Power BI. Just I'm trying to say that. Okay. Now what I'm doing is why I need to learn the Power BI only. Why the organizations are, I mean, huge. I mean, many organizations are migrating into the Power BI. What is the reason? We're having many data visualization tools, right? Yes or no? We're having many data visualization tools, but why? Why the Power BI? Okay, there are many reasons. There are many reasons, and many features are available in the Power BI. Okay, so in the Power BI, we are having, I mean, the default visualizations are available, which are 30 plus default visualizations. Recently, two new visuals are updated by the Microsoft. Okay, which is a new slicer and new code also. So it means 30 plus means 32, 35, whatever it is. Yes or no? Yes or no? So 30 plus default visualizations, which are basic visuals. Okay, so those visuals are available in the Power BI. Okay, in one more thing, totally you can create how many visuals you want. You can create 250 plus visuals you can get from the Power BI. You can get 250 plus visualizations. The different visuals you can get from the Power BI. You can use those visualizations in the Power BI. Okay, whatever the visuals you need, you can get that. Okay, but where from the marketplace. Okay, from the marketplace. However, you can download your application from the Play Store. Same like that in the Power BI. From the Power BI, we have to navigate into the market. Okay, which are the visuals market. From the market, we can get which one visual you want. You can download it. You can add it to as a default visualization. We can see that also practically. You don't worry about it. Okay. So now, and apart from that, but you need to get that additional visualizations, the advanced visuals in another technology. Okay, so compared to another technologies, we are having 24 default charts only. So whatever the visuals are there, the standard visuals, 24 visuals, we need to use only the 24 visuals. Okay, if you need to, I mean, if you need to create an additional visual, you have to go on, you have to go and get from one more thing by writing the code. By writing a code for more charts, you have to get it. But here the Power BI is a completely non-coding technology. Okay, which you can get which you can create the visualizations where you can analyze your data, where you can create the reports. Is all things. Okay, so here in Tableau 70 plus data sources you can connect with the data source. It will be supports that 70 plus. But coming to my Power BI, 90 plus data sources I can connect with this. Okay, and one more thing you need to know, we discussed about it. What is this? The inbuilt ETL tool available in the Power BI, which is called Power Query Editor, where I can implement the ETL operations and all. Okay, but in this another tool, okay, which is I'm comparing the Tableau, so there is no inbuilt ETL tool. Okay, so that's why I'm going to considering that as a good technology, that Power BI, right? I don't need anyone help of ETL person. I can do directly myself. Yes or no? Yes or no? I don't need to go to anyone for anyone to do the ETL operations. I'm the data analyst. I'm the Power BI developer. I know the technology which is Power BI. There I do have inbuilt ETL tool which is Power Query Editor. There I can do whatever I want. I can play with my data in my Power Query Editor. Why? Because I know that Power Query. Yes or no? So that is the reason, one of the reason. And one more thing, we are having 1000 plus functions are available in the Power BI, which are DAX functions. Which are DAX functions, 1000 plus functions are available. Okay. I can store a maximum storage. I can store 100 terabytes of the storage I can do. If you need to store more than this, you have to do. You have to go and purchase as per your requirements. Okay, you can go and purchase as per your requirements. For that minimum requirement, you have to purchase to use the Pro license, which is $10. Okay, now coming to here, you need to spend $70. You have to spend, but it is unlimited storage. Okay, for now, see, for example, I'm having a I have to store a 2 GB of data. I need to store 2 GB of data. Now what I have to do? Is it good approach? Is it good approach? To store the 2 GB of data only, I'm going to spending for 70 US dollars. Is it good way? Am I audible to everyone? Am
Yes,
I audible to you guys? Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
yes,
Yes, sir.
See, see, 70 US dollars I have to spend to get unlimited of storage. But here, if I need to store 1 GB of data, even if I need to store 1 GB of data, we should go on buy with $70. Even if I need to store 1 GB of data. Now, in this case, what I have to do is I will get a license from the Power BI, which is pro license or premium anything. Based on the license, you can store your data. See, if you need to store the data before, I mean, below 10 GB, I mean, below 10 GB of data, I need to go and get the Power BI Pro license. There I can see while we are discussing that Power BI licenses, I will let you know that. Okay, while I'm discussing that licenses, I'll let you know that. You don't worry about it. Okay, so that is the why. That is the reason. That's the why I'm going to using that. Why I mean these organizations are marketing into Power BI. Okay, so now if you observe that we have seen that what is that Power BI. Okay, why it is, what are the reasons are there. Okay, why it is. Now what is the history of the Power BI, we got it. Now how it will be working, how the technology is going to work, it means the architecture of the Power BI. Okay, what we will do with the help of the technology, what we will do is, see, initially what we need to do, as we discussed it so far, we know the data sources, we know what is the Power BI desktop, we know how to analyze a visual, we know how to model the data, we know how to clean the data, how to means where we can do that. Okay, we know how to modeling the data, we know how to create a report where itself, where it is in the Power BI desktop in the report view. Okay, we know how to create a report, we know what is the Power BI services. Now what is the pipeline, what is the flow, what is the workflow of the Power BI, we are going to discussing that. Clear everyone? Clear? Now am I audible to everyone? Please respond, please respond, please be active anyone.
yes,
Only one person, please
Yes,
be
sir.
yes,
active. Okay, yes, see, if you guys are active means I should be create myself, I can create myself the interest, right, to explain more and more, right? Yes or no? If you guys are encouraging me, I'll give you the more subject, right? Even if you did not encourage me, I will give, but you can understand me, right? Yes or no?
yes,
If you guys are feeling anything bored, let me know that I will entertain you. Entertain you means with the subject only. Okay, the entertainment also with the subject only. Okay, okay, fine. Now this is my database. Now we know this is the SQL. Sorry, yeah, we know this is the database. We know this is Excel. We know it is CSV. We know it is the MySQL. What is these all things? What are these? What are those?
data sources.
Data sources. So now what I will do is, initially I need to get the data. Initially I need to pull the data from the data source to Power BI desktop. Okay, from the data sources to Power BI desktop, I have to pull the data. Okay, once I did pull the data into the Power BI desktop. Okay, now what I have to do, what is the secondary, what is the second thing we need to do? Once you got the data into the Power BI desktop, you need to go and analyze your data. Why we need to go and analyze our data? Why? Because what the data is available, what are the records are there, what the business is going on, what are the requirements are there. If you need to understand your requirements, you should go and analyze your data. Then only you can understand the requirements. Okay, then only you are able to get your what are the requirements are there, what he is asking, that what we need to do, then only you can get. Why? Because you need to understand the data, what records are there, what the business is going on here. Okay, so for that we need to analyze our data. While you are analyzing your data, if you need to do anything according to your requirement, if you need to do anything the clean up your data, the raw data if you receive, see, always while you are working in any one project, you will receive only the raw data. No one will give you the clean up data. Clear? If you are getting the cleanup data means the ready-made data, if you are getting means you are the lucky person, you are the lucky man developer. As a developer you are the lucky at the from the project only. Okay, now as per your requirement, if you need to clean up your data, it means if you need to create a ready-made data to create a visualizations, you need to go and clean up your data. Where itself? Where itself? Where it is? Where I can clean?
Power BI desktop.
See, if you guys are not responding, there is no any use of sitting here. Don't waste of your time and my time. Please respond to my questions. Clear? If you guys are interested, please attend the session. See, Power Query editor, we can do the cleaning, right? Yes or
Yes,
no? That's
yes.
what I'm asking. I did explain each and everything about the Power Query editor theoretically. Just I'm asking where I can clean the data, but no one is responding. Why? Please be interested. Please be interested. Please be active. Please try to answer for my questions. Okay, so try to understand me. Please answer the questions. Okay, just I'm not asking anything technical questions, right? Simply I'm asking where I can clean the data. We know that detailed process we will do that. How create I did explain to you. Okay, so that's what I'm asking. Okay, I did analyze the data as per my requirements. If there is anything need to clean up our data, what I have to do, I need to go on that, clean the data in Power Query data. Where I can do that? In Power Query data, right? Once we are done this cleaning up part, okay, where I have to go, what I have to do, I need to do in this modeling part, where I can do the modeling,
Connectivity.
View, sir.
where I can do the modeling.
Views.
What is Power Pivot?
No.
What
Power
is Power
pivot.
Pivot?
We use Power Pivot to model the data.
That's what I'm asking, right? See, one thing you have to understand that while we are going to learning any one technology, whatever the concept, if anyone saying that, you should know. I mean, you should know that, right? Yes or no? How much time I'm taking to giving you for the components only? Yes or no? I told you that what exactly the component, what it is exactly, what we can do with the help of the Power Query, what we can do with the help of the Power Pivot, where I can do the modeling. I given simple examples with the right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Simple examples and simply in the PPT presentation I told you that, but no one is answering here. I don't know why it is. If you not understand means, if you're not getting my thing means, my language and communication, let me know. I'll try to explain it again and again. No problem from my end. But you guys are not responding, not giving answer means what is use of that? Just simply you're attending, right? Okay. See, once we are done the modeling part, what we have to do? We need to go on visualizations. Okay. Actual visualizations, actually creating visualizations we have to do here, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, while you're creating that visualizations, okay, we need to create a report with the help of the visuals. We need to create a report. What is the report means? What is report? The report is a collection of the visualizations. Okay, the report is a collection of the visuals. Where we can do this in the Power BI desktop itself. Okay, in the Power BI desktop itself, we can create the report. Okay, the dashboard we can create in our Power BI services only. Okay, we can create the dashboard in Power BI services. We can create the report in my desktop. Okay, now once I did created the report, that report I need to publishing into that Power BI services. Okay, once I did created the report, that report I need to publish into my Power BI services. In the Power BI services, okay, we need to create the workspaces, we need to use the subscriptions, we need to give the some roles to teammates, our teammates, and we need to collaborate with your team and your end user or your senior management work, all the things we have to do. And finally, if you need, once you are done these all the things, creating a dashboard on all things in the Power BI services, from the Power BI services, you need to share your dashboard to your end user. So that is a work exactly we are going to doing in your Power BI. So that is the work we are doing with Power BI. So now we know that what is Power BI. Okay, why why the Power BI is demanding in market. Okay, now how the Power BI will be working. It means the architecture of the Power BI. That's what. That's all about the architecture of the Power BI. So what is the process? What is the pipeline it is? What is the thing? What is the flow of work of the technology, of this technology? What we have to do? Just we need to collect the data from the source. So once we did collected the data from the data source, we need to analyze it. We need to clean up. We need to do the modeling. We need to do the creating. We need to creating modeling. We need to creating a visualizations. With those visualizations, we have to create a report. Once we did create that report, you need to publish that report to the Power BI services. In the Power BI services, we have to create the dashboard. Okay, while you're creating dashboard as you wish, okay, you can collaborate with your colleagues. Okay, once you have done all the things, all the operations in your Power BI services, from there you need to share to your end users. Clear everyone? What we are going to work with Power BI,
Yes.
right? Yeah. Okay. Fine. So we are seeing this now. Now, what you need to know is you need to know how to install your Power BI desktop. Okay, you need to know. See, we are going to working with Power BI, right? We know how to work on the Power BI, right? Just we have seen that the architecture of the Power BI. Yes or no? The architecture of the Power BI, we have seen that. How to install it, I'll let you know that. Okay, it says single step, it is simple step and single step it is. Just we are going to installing that. Okay, once you did I hope everyone using that Windows 10 and Windows 11. If anyone you did not if anyone not using that Windows 10 or 11, please try to use that. Okay, it's very good to use the Windows 10 and 11. Okay, now how to install that? So you need to go Microsoft stores, everyone will be having, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone having the Microsoft stores, right? Now in the Microsoft stores, just you need to go and search Power BI desktop. Search it. You will get hmm? Data view లో అదంతా పవర్ పివోట్ అండర్ పవర్ పివోట్ కింద వస్తుంది. Hmm. See, we can do that, but these all those all things will be under the Power Pivot component. Okay, data modeling, data modeling and creating the calculated columns and new measures. These all things will becomes the DAX functions where you can write means in Power Pivot. Where you are writing the DAX function, that will be in the component of the Power Pivot. But you're not able to see that particularly this is a Power Pivot component. You can able to see that Power BI desktop, Power BI services, and Power Query editor. Particularly, you will be able to get that particular I mean the pop-up like that. Okay, another windows it will be opens. But the power in the Power BI desktop, as I told you that Power View, Power Pivot, these all are including in the Power BI desktop itself. There we can do that. Hmm? So now, so now, see here once you did search, okay, you did see already I did install right Power BI desktop. Okay, I need to open or else you have to open this. Once you did selected that, a simple step it is. Here you will get as install or get. Now I did open that. Now I did open that. I did install it. That's why it is showing that open. I'll do one thing. Hmm, okay. Now what I will do is I did uninstall that. Okay. I'm going to closing this. Again I'm opening that. Maybe I did installed through exe file. Let's see that. We'll see that. See it is asking install right. I need to install it. Starting downloading. It will take some time I think. Yeah, it's going fast. Just give me 2 minutes. It will be installed. Okay. Until that, 13 members. Yeah. Anyone questions, guys? Anyone anything? Anyone having the doubts? Asking now. Because after installation today, I'm going to closing this. And one more thing, see, if anyone interested to learn this course, okay, see, we have done the demo sessions, right? Today onwards, we are going to start the regular sessions. I think today the link will be changing. If anyone did not enroll, please try to enroll this course. I mean, by consulting, my team, by contacting my team. So I hope you guys are having the team, team number, right? Okay, please try to contact him, and he will try to help to you to enroll this. Anyone enrolled today? Anyone enrolling today?
Yes,
Yeah,
I will enroll. This is Josh.
Thank you, Josh.
yeah, this is Siva. This is the first class. Today I'm
Okay,
enrolling.
okay. Please try to enroll for today, and once you enroll means the recording sessions and all you will get the access. Okay, and apart from that, all the document whatever we are discussing here, all this manual document I will try to prepare. Those documents also I will upload in the Google Classrooms. Okay, if you need to get that all the documents and all the recorded sessions, okay, if you need to get that means you should have some access. If you need to get the access means you will be having you should have to enroll that course. Then only you are able to, okay, then only you are able to install, check it. Okay. అయిపోతుంది రేపు చేపించేసాను. అవునా? అవును, చేపిస్తాను. I'll check and I'll let you know that. Okay. If it is not working means we'll shift to another class, no problem. Okay. Okay, okay. See, just I did download. That's it. I'm opening this. Hmm. ఏది? ఓకే ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఈరోజు అది సైన్ చేసుకుని వెళ్ళావా? చేసావా? అది ఎన్రోల్ చేసుకుంటావా ఈరోజు? Hmm. See, I did not anything. Just I did download. I did open. Directly, I'm able to get my Power BI desktop. Okay. Directly, I'm able to. Something went wrong. No need to worry. Okay. Directly, I'm able to open my this. Right, clear? I'll let you know. And in the next session, I'll let you know how to work on that. Okay. What are the things I see? As I told you that this is my report view, and then table view, and then model view. We are having this. Okay. And this is my data. Mhm. Okay, data view it is. So here, whatever the things I need, when once I got the data, once I imported the data here. Give me a second. See, this is how my Power BI desktop will be there. Okay, this is the how my Power BI desktop will be there. Okay. This is how my Power BI desktop will be there. Okay. Now, as I told you that, see, visualizations 30 plus default visualizations, we have to use these all the visuals. Okay. And in the data pan, whatever the data you have been imported into the Power BI, you are able to view in your table view. Okay. You are able to view in your table view, and here the report view where you can create your reports and visualizations and all. And this is my model view where I can model my data, where I can build and relation, where I can build the relationships and all. Okay, this is the model view here. Now, if you need to know and go for, if you need to know, go for the Power Query data, you have to go to, transform your data. Once you selected the transform data, you will be navigate to Power Query editor. Okay, these are all the things where you are doing that, where you are doing that. These all things in Power BI desktop itself. Yes or no? Yes or no? In Power BI desktop only you are doing that. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, fine. Yes, sir. And in the data pan, you will get that. Whatever the fields are there. Once see, we'll see that practically. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now I will try to explain these all the tabs here. Okay. These are the pans. Okay, filter pan and visualization pan, data pan. Okay, these are the things. Filters topic video have particularly. I'll let you know. It's a small topic only, but it's very very important in Power BI. Okay, you'll get the mostly questions from filters also. Okay, uh, 2 or 3 questions you will get from filters, at least 2 or 3 questions in interviews you will get that. Okay, now coming to that insert, sorry, in the home tab, what it is, see, in the home tab you are having the data, we are having the queries, we are having the insert, we are having the calculations and share. Okay, sensitivity, don't worry about it. Okay, no need to know about it. Okay, so now coming to here in the data, if you need to pull the data into the Power BI, if you want to get the data from the data source, you have to go here the data, and you need to select the get common data sources, commonly using data sources these are. Okay, now as I told you, 99 plus data sources are able to connect with the Power BI. Okay, these all are the sources, these all are the sources, these all are my sources. Okay, so from the sources we can get the data, we can connect the data. Okay, now Excel workbook we do have directly, we can connect with the Excel work, data hub, SQL server. These all are used to get the data from the data source. Okay, even if you don't have any data, if you need to practice yourself, you can create your data by using enter data. Okay, so coming to the queries, here you can refresh your data, whatever the table you do have imported, you can refresh. If you want to go to the Power Query data transform, you can do the transform data. And coming to that insert, okay, coming to that insert, here you can insert your visuals from here or else here. Okay, and one more thing you need to know, always try to prefer these visualizations from visuals only. Okay, from visuals pan only. Okay, now calculation, these are all things we will see in modeling part. Okay, in the modeling part we are having the calculations, I'll let you know here. Okay, now sensitivity will not using here. Okay, no need to use of this as of now. The share also, see share end of the creating the report will do and use that share. Okay, see some features they will be giving you advanced level, but in project if there is need means we will use that, or else so far I did not use it this sensitivity, you know. So far I did not use it this some options, so far I did not use it. Why? Because there is no use of that, but they given something about it. Okay, now coming to that insert, coming to that insert. Okay, coming to that insert, just give me a second. Hello. Sorry guys, sorry. So now see, we are discussing about the insert. In the insert, we can get the visuals from here. See, always try to prefer the visual to get from here only. Okay, don't do that. Okay, why? Because we are having here, right? Whatever we want, we can select. Okay, so coming to that AI visuals. See, in the Power BI, we are able to use some AI visuals also, which is Q and A. Okay, which is key influencers, decomposition tree, narrative. These are all the things. The narrative means it will be giving something summary of your visualization. Okay, so that is now coming to this. See, this Power BI is not only for the Power BI developers. Okay, the Power Platform developers also the Power BI will be using. Okay, for them, so Power Platform developers means who are working on Power Apps, who are working on Power Automate and the paginated reports and all things, and okay, including the Power BI, it is one of the thing. Okay, for you no need this. Okay, as a Power BI developer, you no need to learn. But if you have the knowledge, means it's okay, fine. Okay, additional if it is means it's okay, fine. Okay, but coming to here, the elements what we'll do, you will get a text box, you will get a buttons, whatever the buttons you do have, these are all the buttons. While you're making the dynamic reports, we will see that. While we are making the dynamic reports, we'll see that. Okay, add the shapes and all you can see here. And coming to here, modeling part. Okay, modeling it is. Now when I'm in modeling, I can build the relationship. Okay, I can do the calculations. It means I can create a new table, I can create a new calculated column, a new measure, quick measures I can use. Okay, page refresh we can do that. And new parameters is a very very important topic you have to know here. And manage roles, we are having RLS, row level security, very very important as a Power BI developer. Okay, we should do that row level security, which is RLS. We'll see that also. Okay, now this Q&A it is. Okay, Q&A setup it is. Now view, coming to the view. Okay, See this view theme you guys are know, I hope. Why? Because we can see this in any one Microsoft tools, right? Yes or no? These themes and all. Okay. Now coming to that page, how you can fit your page, that all things we will see. Mobile layout we will see that. The report level also mobile layout we can see. These all the features are available here. See filters, filters pan, bookmarks pan, selection pan. So these are the things. See selection pan. These are all the things where we can use is while we are making. I mean the dynamic report. Okay, while we are working in any one organization, just creating a visualization is not a matter. Everyone can create. But the attractive report, the dynamic report, who can create means the Power BI developer only. A good Power BI developer, a good expert Power BI developer only can do that. Okay, clear everyone? See, and the report VBTs, and then the table VBTs, and the data VBTs. It means the model VBTs. Okay, if you want to add that anyone new page, you can do all the things. It is simple and basic things. These all are okay. We'll discuss while we are discussing with practical sessions. I'll let you know that. Okay, maybe tomorrow onwards the link will be changing, I think. Okay, please guys, please enroll. If anyone did not enroll so far, please try to enroll. Okay, please try to contact with my teammates. Okay, they will be try to help you to enroll your course. Okay, so I told did I told you what you are going to learn? Initially we will learn that. Did I told you that or not? I did tell or not? See, initially we are going with basic concepts of Power BI. Okay, what we are discussing right now, and later that we are going to see that basic visuals. Okay, for the 10 days or 1 week, entire 1 week or 1 week or entire 1 week we are going through visualizations only. After that, the default visuals what we are saying when I'm saying that basic visual default visuals, and later these we are going to working with advanced visualizations. Okay, and apart from that we are going to working with DAX functions. See, we are not going to learning, we are working with one technology. You have to assume that learning, if your thought is like learning only, you will learn, keep on learning only. If you, you have to set your mind, we are going to working with one technology which is Power BI. I'm not learning, I'm working here. It means you have to set your mind as a developer today onwards. Okay, as a developer, you have to mold your mind. I'm working as a developer, which is Power BI. I'm not learning here. Learning means keep on learning mindset you will be having. I'm going to working on that. I should be having a passion on that. Okay, I should be having a passion on the see. The DAX is very important topic, very important concept in your Power BI. It's a a hard topic it is. Okay, you should know this. Okay, now the Power Query editor also. So the Power Query we are going to see once we are done the DAX functions. I'll let you know how to clean up your data in the DAX functions. How to get a complete data. How to get a complete data means how it is by doing by doing some calculations. We'll do that. Yes or no? Okay. See, so far I did not discuss anything about the DAX. Okay. Going forward, we'll see that also. And apart from this, Power Query editor we'll see. Apart from that, we'll see the data modeling. After building the data modeling, we are going to see the Power BI services finally. After the up to Power BI services is your course, which is Power BI. Okay. Now what I am doing is for you guys, if you guys are having additionally one basic knowledge on databases. Okay, SQL is very best for you. Okay, see, it's the best thing for you. Additionally, I'm providing that SQL basics which is used for power as a Power BI developer for you. Okay, how much the database knowledge you need to know about as a Power BI developer, I will provide for you, don't worry about it. Once we are done the SQL things, SQL also, you are able to create your profile in your job boards as a Power BI developer. Means the Power BI with SQL. Clear everyone? I hope everyone clear, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Anyone doubts? Any doubts? Any questions? Any queries? Okay, fine. So enough for today. And tomorrow onwards, I will start the regular classes and I will start that working with the Power BI. Yes, please.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I download the Power BI desktop, but it not coming, sir.
Not coming
It
means
it not showing in the laptop.
how you do, how you are searching that. Do this. Click on Windows. Search it.
No, sir, it's not coming.
I think you did not download maybe. If you did download means it will be there in your device, right?
I downloaded, sir, but it asking the file name and save the type.
File name and see
Save,
installation.
save as a
Installation.
type.
If anyone facing issue installation issues, I will discuss in the next session. Okay, okay. Please try to add in the group. Okay, once you did enroll in the group, they will be giving you. One group. Okay, in that if anyone facing installation issue, I'll let you know. Why? Because I don't know the configurations of everyone systems, right? Yes or no? What the issue is
Yes,
there?
sir.
You're there here means I can understand, I can let you know that, but you're not at me. It's okay, fine. But still, I can analyze and I can help to you. Okay, but I need to know the configurations. What are the configurations you do have? Where you did download? These are the things you have to. I have to know that, right? Right? Clear. For that, I'm saying that please do that. Okay, in the group, I'll check that. Okay, they will create one
Okay,
group there.
sir.
Please discuss that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
installation. Okay. Hmm. Anyone, any queries, any doubts? Okay, fine. Can I leave? Can I leave? Can I leave for today? If you guys have any questions, I'm giving 10 minutes for you, or else I can leave. Okay, fine. And thank you for attending the sessions. Okay, please try to enroll. Okay, today onwards.
Sir,
Yes, problem, please.
sir, can you show the how to download Microsoft Store?
You don't have the Microsoft Store, right?
No,
Then do
sir.
one thing. Okay, then do one thing. Open your Chrome. So here you have to type OBA desktop download. Okay, or download Microsoft Power BI. Click on this link. See the download PDF also I will upload in Google Classrooms. Don't worry about it. Okay. Go to products, Power BI desktop, download free. See, still here also it is asking that Microsoft open Microsoft Store. Okay. Cancel. I'm doing that. Start download or language options. Yeah. You have to go and check that language. Okay. Click on download. Okay. While you're doing that, it will be giving something details about it. Okay. what we can get, what is get data, creating a relationship, creating a report, save your report, uploading or publishing your report, system requirements with all these all things it will be giving you. Okay, install instructions, this all it will be giving you. Now what you have to do is just you have to click on download. Now it will be asking that whether you need to download for this file and this file. Okay, select this as per your requirements, then click on download. Now it will be downloads. See, it is downloaded, right? And open it.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you the PDF about it. Okay, how to install and download from Microsoft Stores or from Google also. Okay, see now it is asking
Okay,
that.
sir.
See, these are all the things. These all things are steps will be there when you are downloading from the Google. Okay, when you're downloading from any other. I mean now you need to follow these steps. But why I'm saying that Microsoft Stories, it is straightforward. Just you need to download and open. That's it. You don't need to follow these all the things. You don't need to select. You don't need to go on that. Okay. You don't need to do these all things. Okay. Next, preparing to install. But when I'm doing these all things in my Microsoft Stores, is it showing these all things? No, right? That's why I'm giving that Microsoft Stores. Okay, no problem. You can download from this also. Okay. So select on next. Keep the checkbox. Select on next. Okay, if you want to change your path of this storing of this file, okay, you can change or else next install. It's going to be installed. If you have any doubts, please go through the recording session. Okay. It will take some time. But when I'm downloading from Microsoft Stores, what happened? It's straightforward. That is straightforward. Just you need to download the application and you can open it. You only do these all things. Okay. See, once you have completed this, once you did complete this, your installation will be done. Okay. I'll give you the document also for this. Okay. I'll give you the document also for this for you. Don't worry about it. Okay. Clear?